Where do you think you're going?
Rex? Ace and I'll handle him. You and Chomp help Zoe. Got it! Dino! Slash! Carnotaurus, blow them away!
You can't compete with spectral armor!
Dino Tector! On! Now! Ace, your new armor's awesome! It's time to throw in the towel.
Sorry, I don't have any towels to throw, but I do have another dinosaur. Spectral armor! This isn't the beach, it's a battle!
Let's join in! Alpha Slash!
A Tyrannosaurus Rex! I wonder if he's on my side!
Dino Tectoron! Terry, blast him with your heat!
Speaking of heat, can we go to the beach now?
Yeah, there's only a couple hours of sunlight left.
And I want to see if I can catch a fish or a lobster or maybe some clams or something.
How can you three think about the beach when Terry is in the middle of a battle?
Let's get things moving with the move card. Rock Roller!